Here at the HiPEAC conference, I'm meeting up with Angelos Arelakis, and he is from ZeroPoint. And ZeroPoint has a very interesting technology. Angelos, please explain what is ZeroPoint?
So ZeroPoint is a startup company located in Sweden. We started back in 2016 and we developed the ZeroPoint technology, as we call it, which is the core technology is data compression. So we have ultra-fast, efficient compression algorithms, real-time compaction algorithms, and transparent memory management. And this core technology, we can package it in different products, trying to address limitations in the main memory, in the cache, and the storage.
Okay, and then with this technology, you're squeezing out all the last bits and pieces which are not necessary in the computer architecture. Now, lots of people will say this is a hardware solution. I understand.
That's correct. That's correct. But we also have a system software support in order to be able to configure and tune our hardware.
Yeah. What can users expect? What are the results of using your hardware?
Compression efficiency is like 2 to 3 times, and then we can get memory bandwidth acceleration if we integrate this before the memory controller, or we can get 2 to 3 times memory expansion, memory capacity expansion, or cache capacity expansion.
Yeah. So it is a mix of different technologies that are applied in your hardware solution, and that exist in between the CPU and the memory.
That is correct. It is a combination of compression algorithms, ASIC design and implementation and verification, and of course, system software implementation. Yeah.
Now, lots of people who are a bit skeptical about, everything happening between a CPU and a memory. They say, "Oh no, not a device between my CPU and my memory." What is your answer to that?
Well, there are memory limitations about the memory bandwidth, the scarce memory bandwidth and the memory capacity, and in order to improve the performance per watt and also reduce the total cost of ownership, which is about 35% today in server systems, we need to do something about that, and such a technology can provide this benefit.
Yeah. Now, what I think is interesting is you are not completely developing a computer from ground up, but you take existing architectures and put your hardware solution right in the middle of it.
Exactly, and what we do is that we package this technology as an IP block with standard interfaces, like for instance AMBI XI4 or CHI, or now with CXL, and this way we can enable essentially this technology through standard interfaces, reducing the overhead of the integration.
Yeah. So users can integrate this into the design, and that can basically anything and everything. It can range from even mobile phones to high-performance computers, if I understand.
That's absolutely correct.
Yeah. So this is reality, or is it research?
It is reality. We have our first compression product being taped out today. And we also have a memory encryption product which has been already verified on silicon for a 7nm technology. Okay. So it is happening for real.
It is happening for real, and people can start using this. Thank you very much for your explanation, and good luck with your product.
Thank you very much for this interview.